Question number 1. A long straight wire carries a current of 35 ampere. Find the magnitude and magnetic field produced at a point 20 centimeter from the wire. 20 centimeter from the wire means 0.2 meter. Now Purva Khatri, what is the formula of magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying wire? Purva. Long straight current carrying wire, magnetic field formula. Dhruv Agrawal. Isika Trivedi.
The magnetic field equals to mu naught upon 4 pi into I upon R.
B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2I upon R. This is not I upon R, it is 2I upon R. Magnetic field due to a long straight current carrying wire at any distance, it is given by this formula. Its value in the SI unit, we know that it is 10 to the power minus 7 in SI unit. So now you can find B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2I upon R. 10 की power minus 7, 2I 2 into 35, and this is 0.2. So when you will simplify 2 upon 0.2, 20 upon 2 means 10. It's clear. So it is 35 into 10 की power minus 6. What is 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 5? Now, Achal Patel, what is the unit of magnetic field?
The Tesla.
Tesla, or Newton per ampere per meter. Per ampere per meter, anything you can write. Now see here, what will be the direction of magnetic field due to a straight conductor? Suppose you have to find the direction. So you know here, suppose you taken this way. This is a conductor carrying current in this direction, and it is lying on the plane of paper. And you have to find the direction of current at this point here. How will you find? You place the palm of the right hand in such a way that thumb is in the direction of current, or fingers are pointing towards that point at which field is required. Then perpendicular direction of pushing of the palm will be the direction of magnetic field. Means what will be the direction of magnetic field here? In this direction. It is clear. Now see here. Suppose you have to find in this direction. How will you do? हम थोड़ा कॉपी को वो कर लेते हैं, हमको आसान पड़ जाए. Now you will place your right hand palm in such a way that thumb is pointing in the direction of current. अगर अभी देखें thumb की डायरेक्शन करंट की डायरेक्शन में नहीं है, तो हम क्या कर दिए? ये ऐसे कर दिए. It's clear. Fingers क्या है? इस पॉइंट की ओर है. Then what is the perpendicular direction of pushing of the palm? It is the direction of magnetic field. Means it will be perpendicularly upward. So you can see here, question number 2. Question number 2, you can see. A long straight wire in a horizontal carries a current of 50 ampere in north to south direction. So see here, on the plane of paper, this east, west, north, south. North to south means इसके opposite, या ऐसे current flow. And it is situated on the plane of paper. Whether it is clear? Now see here, 50 ampere current, I equals to 50 ampere. Find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at a point 2.5 meter east of the wire. East of the wire means in this side. At what distance? R equals to 2.5. So direction just now I have told. You can see here what will be the direction here. Here direction will be perpendicularly to the plane of paper upward. Perpendicularly to the plane of paper upward. It is clear? So direction of magnetic field will be perpendicularly to plane of paper upward. Then what will be the magnitude that you can find by using the same formula, mu naught upon 4 pi 2I upon R. R is given, I is given, so that you can do. Now question number 3. We will see to the question number 3. Here you can see two infinitely long insulated wires are kept perpendicular to each other. They are kept perpendicular to each other. Here you can see this is one wire and these wires are insulated. Means एक कंडक्टर की करंट दूसरी कंडक्टर की करंट के यहाँ पर कांटेक्ट में नहीं आने पाती है, because these are insulated. Here it is carrying current I2 and this is carrying current I1. There is a point P. Its distance from here is how much? 3 centimeter, and from here it is how much? 4 centimeter. It's clear. I1, I2 is given. I1 is given 2 ampere and it is 1.5. You have to find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at P. What will be the net magnetic field at P? Because this is producing as well as this is producing. So first we see the direction of each magnetic field. So what will be the direction of magnetic field because of I1? Who can tell? Because of I1, what will be magnetic?
Downwards.
It will be downward. It is clear? Now because of I2, it will be what? You can see here. Because of I2, finger in this direction and fingers are towards P and thumb is in the direction of current. So it will be what?
Downwards.
It is also downward. मतलब इसके और इसके कारण जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड P पर है वो परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ पेपर डाउनवर्ड. मींस सिंपली क्या हो जाएगी? ऐड हो जाएगी. सो यू कैन सी हियर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट P ड्यू टू करंट I1. So B equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 10 की power minus 7 2I, that is 2 into 2, and what is R here? 4 into 10 की power minus 2. When you will simplify, it will be 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Word downward. Now what is magnetic field at P due to current I2? So B2 equals to 10 to the power minus 7 2I, that is 2 into 3 upon 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is not correct. 2I, that is 2 into 1.5. I is 1.5. And distance is 3 centimeter. So it is 3 into 10 power minus 2. When you will simplify 3 into, and this will be cancelled. Once again, 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla downward. Therefore, net magnetic field equals to B1 plus B2. When you will add, it will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. This will be the net magnetic field in downward direction. Now see here, if we change the direction of current in one of the conductor, अगर एक कंडक्टर में करंट की डायरेक्शन को चेंज कर दें, then what will happen? So when you will change the direction of current in one of the conductor, direction of magnetic field will also be reversed. पहले डाउनवर्ड कर रहा था, अब क्या करेगा? अपवर्ड करेगा. So both the magnetic fields are equal in magnitude. And now one is setting up magnetic field downward, other is setting up magnetic field upward. So net magnetic field will become 0. Net will be 0. Whether it is clear? So this is the second part of question number 3. What will be the net magnetic field if the direction of current is reversed in one of the conductor? Now you can see here one more question. Question number 10. It has been asked in 2006. A helium nucleus completes one round of a circle. A helium nucleus completes one round of circle of radius 0.8 meter in 2 seconds. Means helium nucleus is moving over this circle whose radius is 0.8 meter and completing one round in how much time? In 2 seconds. Find the magnetic field at the center. So see here, since the helium nucleus is having how much charge? Helium nucleus में 2 प्रोटॉन होते हैं, that is 2e charge, that is 2 into 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Here charge is also given in the. And completing one round in 2 seconds, what will be the current produced? कितनी current produce होगी? So we will find out that current. So current produce I equals to Q upon T. So it is 3.2 into 10 की power minus 19 and 2. So it is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 ampere. This much current will be produced. It's clear? Now see here, means it will become a current loop having radius this and carrying current this. You have to find the magnetic field at the center, and we know that what is the formula of magnetic field at the center? Magnetic field at the center. Now Karthikeya Joshi. कार्तिकेय जोशी अटेंड नहीं कर रहे क्लास, उनकी आज हम एब्सेंट लगाएंगे. ऋतिक राज, ऋतिक राज not attending the class. Riya, Sanika.
Yes, sir.
What? कौन बोल रहा है? रिया बोल रही?
Sanika.
What is the formula of magnetic field at the center due to a circular current coil?
Mu naught 2 Ni by 4 pi r.
गलत. Mu naught I upon 2r. mu naught I upon 2R. Faraj. Now
Yes,
sum
sir.
of this. Yes. Whether this formula is correct? Magnetic field due to a current carrying circular coil at the center. Nahi malum. Formula is correct. Now you put the value mu naught equals to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 into I. I is this minus 19. 2R, that is 2 into R is 0.8. So when you will simplify, you will find that this will be cancelled with this. 4 pi means 4 into 3.14 into 10 to the power minus 26. So it is 1.254, जहां तक यही होगा 56. 12.56 into 10 की power minus 26. That is 1.256 into 10 की power minus 25 Tesla. This will be the magnetic. Now see here. Then we can see here one more question. Now question number 11. A long straight wire is turned into a loop of radius 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. Means there is a long wire, it had been turned in this way. And it is carrying the current, its radius is 10 centimeter. Carrying the current in this way. This. Radius 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. If the current is I equals to 8 ampere. Through the loop, find the magnetic field at the center of the loop. Center C. So see here, first we will find out the magnetic field due to this straight conductor at point C. So what will be the direction? So if you see the direction, it will be perpendicularly to the plane of paper downward. And because of this, so by using right hand rule, curling of the fingers is towards the direction of current. Thumb is pointing upward. So what will be the magnetic field? Due to the circular coil, it will be upward. While because of this, it will be downward. So see here, magnetic field at C will be resultant of magnetic field due to straight conductor which acts downward and magnetic field due to circular coil which acts upward. Now both magnetic field we will find out. So see here, what is the magnetic field due to straight conductor? So if you see the distance of this point from the conductor is 10 centimeter. So mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I upon R. It is 10 to the power minus 7 2 into 10 upon R. I is 8 ampere. R is 10 centimeters, so 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it will be 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. This is due to straight conductor. Now see here, due to circular coil, so it will be mu naught I upon 2R. Mu naught की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? So it is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. I is 8 and R is 2 into 10 into 10 की power minus 2. So you can simplify here. Here it is 32 into 3.14 divided by, so it is 50.24 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Now this acts downward and this acts upward. So what will be the net magnetic field? This minus this. So you can find here. Therefore, net magnetic field 50.24 into 10 to the power minus 6 minus 16 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it is equal to 34. Minus 5 Tesla. This is the magnetic field. In this way, you can find out. Now you can see one more question here. Question number 25. This has been asked in board examination in 2017. Now this is a long conductor carrying current of 3 ampere. And here an electron is going in this direction. This is electron. Parallel to the conductor, it goes in this direction at a distance from 0.6 meter. With a velocity, its velocity is given 2 into 10 power 7. Find the force acting on the electron. So see here, if there is no conductor, then what will happen? No force will act on the electron. Force is acting on the electron because of the magnetic field of this conductor. So first you have to find the magnetic field produced by this conductor at the position of the electron. So what will be the direction of this magnetic field? It will be downward. So see here, magnetic field due to conductor at position of electron. Now Karthikeya Joshi, what is the formula of magnetic field due to a straight conductor? I upon R. So mu naught upon 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7 2 into 3 upon R is 0.6. So it will be 60 upon 6, that is 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. It will be 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Now see here, this much magnetic field is produced. This direction of B is downward. inch downward. This is the direction of B. It's clear. Now it is, so now what will be the force acting on it? How will you find? Divya Avasthi. Manasvi Ranjan. How will you find the force acting on the electron in this magnetic field?
F is equal to QVB sin theta.
QVB sin theta. किसने आंसर दिया है? मनस्वी ने. So QVB sin theta. What will be theta here?
90.
Theta equals to 90 degree. क्यों? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐसे जा रहा है along the paper, magnetic field is perpendicular to the paper. So theta equals to 90. So now you can do what is the Q on the electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. V is given 2 into 10 to the power 7. B is given 10 to the power minus 6 into sin 90. So this you can evaluate. Now you have to find the direction of force. So see here, how will you find direction of force? हमने अपने अकॉर्डिंग इसको वो कर लिया. इलेक्ट्रॉन जा रहा है. What is the direction of velocity? This is the direction of velocity. It is clear. Magnetic field is acting downward. This is the direction of velocity. You can see here. And magnetic field is downward. So this is vector V and this is vector B. So देख लो, what is the direction of V cross B? ये क्या है? Palm is along the vector B and curling of the fingers is towards the vector B. Then thumb will give the direction of force on positive charge. Thumb की direction क्या होगी? Direction of force on positive charge. मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज पर फोर्स इधर लगेगा, बट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नेगेटिव, देयरफॉर फोर्स विल एक्ट इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन? इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन फोर्स विल एक्ट टुवर्ड्स द कंडक्टर. दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स ऑन द इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो डायरेक्शन ऑफ F टुवर्ड्स कंडक्टर. It is towards conductor. Is clear? Now see here. There is one more question here. You can see. Question number 42. One conductor is carrying 20 ampere current, another is carrying 10 ampere, 75 ampere. Distance is 1 centimeter. Calculate the force per unit length acting on the wire B. Acting on the wire B due to the current E. It's clear. You have to find force per unit length acting on the wire B due to the current flowing in the wire E. It's clear. And what will be the direction of force? So you can see here, since both are carrying the current in same direction, तो क्या होगा? Force will be attractive. मतलब ये A जो B पर force लगाएगा उसकी डायरेक्शन ये होगी in downward, और B जो A पर force लगाएगा upward. It's clear. This will be the direction of force. So that we already know, if direction of current is same, then force will be attractive in nature. So what is the force acting per unit length? Acting per unit length. So we know the formula of force acting per unit length. It is F upon L equals to mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 upon R. Now evaluate it is 10 to the power minus 7 into 2. I1 is 20, I2 is 75, R is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So it is 22 ja 40, 75 into 40, that is 300. That is 3000 into 10 to the power minus 7. That is 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. For Newton. Newton per meter. It is Newton per meter. It's clear? This. हमको अटेंडेंस मार्क कर लें. So now you can see some more questions here. Question number 20. This is also based on the same formula, F equals to QVB sin theta. Question 19, 20 that you can do. Based on QVB sin theta. Now you can see here.